what is your favorite part of putting on a theater production?
One of my favorite parts of putting on a theater production is that every one is sort of like a unique puzzle. It can be very fun to solve a bunch of unique challenges, to make things that frankly have no reason to exist otherwise. It can be challenging and sometimes frustrating when we invent our own problems, but then we get to solve them as a team and hopefully put on something that is entertaining and that is educational at the same time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Syllabus Spill. This is the show where we break down some of the art's coolest courses. I'm your host Emma, and I'm here with a very special guest today.
Hi, my name is Forgeron. I am teaching theater production 243. I'm actually a former grad of this program as well, so I'm really excited to be back here and teaching.
So, you teach Theater and Performance 243, which is Intro to Theater Production 1. Could you break that course down a little bit for us?
I would break it down as an introduction to all things backstage. It really is the tip of the iceberg what audiences get to see on the stage. So we bring our students through every aspect and every department of theater production, including lighting technologies, sound and video projections, carpentry, scenic painting, props, wardrobe, you name it. Whatever the show needs, we intro.
So for those students who might be interested in this course, why should they take it?
I think that the students who are going to be most engaged in this course are people who, like working with their hands. We get really hands-on and we collaborate is the other big thing. Our course actually intersects and overlaps with all of the theater courses. So, the acting course is obviously coaching the performers in the show, and there is a senior course for our department heads, and we may have directing or design courses. So it's really a collaborative effort where, frankly, the entire program is working together. I would also say that students who want to gather some practical, transferable communication skills, that's really what our shows and what our courses are all about teaching. But there is a cliche. People say, if you want the job done right, hire a theater kid.
Heard it here, guys. Check out Theater and Performance 243 in your next schedule. Bye, everyone.